Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Zotero 6 or newer and Word for Mac. Once done, open Zotero Preferences right arrow site to verify the Word plugin option. Make sure Word is closed. The add-in must register while Word isn't running. If the plugin isn't listed, use Zotero's Install Microsoft Word add-in button. This step writes files into Word's add-ins folder, so take a breath and follow prompts. After installation, reopen Word to continue. Don't skip restarting Word because registration won't complete otherwise. Now enable the add-in inside Word. You open Word, go to Tools, right arrow Templates and Add-ins, and look for Zotero. Datum. If present, check it. If not, go to Word's Add-ins pane and load the Zotero add-in manually. Make sure macro security allows the add-in to run. Adjust in Word Preferences right arrow security if needed. Meanwhile, set your citation style in Zotero Preferences right arrow site so Word uses the correct formatting. Once the toolbar appears, test by inserting a citation into a new document to confirm integration. Finish by inserting a citation and then generating a bibliography so you see the full workflow. If the Zotero toolbar is missing, restart both Word and Zotero first. That resolves most issues. If problems persist, reinstall the Word add-in from Zotero Preferences. Make sure macOS permissions haven't blocked Word or Zotero, and that Word's macro/security settings allow the add-in. One key tip: check console logs for add-in load errors to pinpoint permission or path problems quickly. This often reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.